Hey, food lovers, ever wondered why pumpkin spice is so darn popular? Grab a cozy blanket and let's dive into the world of pumpkin spice. We'll end with a DIY latte recipe you can whip up at home. First off, the origins. Pumpkin spice didn't just appear out of thin air. It dates back to the early 2000s when Starbucks launched the pumpkin spice latte. Fun fact alert, they almost named it Fall Harvest Latte. Imagine sipping on that. But why is it so popular? Well, it's all about nostalgia and comfort. The blend of cinnamon, nutmeg and cloves brings back memories of cozy fall days and Thanksgiving dinners. It's like a warm hug in a cup. Another reason? Social media. Yeah, you heard me right. The moment pumpkin spice hits the shelves, it floods Instagram feeds. It's practically a fall tradition to post a pic with your PSL. And let's not forget the marketing genius behind it. Limited time offer. You see it, you want it, you've got to have it before it's gone. Pumpkin spice becomes this rare gem you can only enjoy for a couple of months. Alright, enough about the craze. Let's make our own pumpkin spice latte at home. Here's what you'll need: 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, half a teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, half a cup strong coffee or espresso whipped cream. Optional but highly recommended. Ready? Let's do this. First, in a saucepan, combine milk, pumpkin puree and sugar. Heat it up until it's hot but not boiling. Stir in the vanilla and pumpkin pie spice. Next, grab your coffee or espresso and pour it into your favorite mug. Slowly add the pumpkin milk mixture. Top it off with whipped cream and a sprinkle of pumpkin pie spice. And there you have it, your homemade pumpkin spice latte. So next time you crave that cozy fall feeling, you know what to do. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. Cheers!